mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 31, Wednesday racing. Time ng karera, umpisa alas 5 ng hapon. 7 karera, lahat ang race 2, 4, and 5, 1,200 meter distance. Ang race 1, race 3, race 6, at race 7 ay 1,400 meter. Race 1, first choice number 8, Official Seal. Second choice, Coupleden 3, 2, Side by Side, 2A, Star of the Show. Race 2, first choice number 4, AP Factor. Second choice number 2, Amiable Maxine. Race 3, ang ating cool first choice number 10, Eutychus. Second choice number 3, Beltuna. Third choice number 8, Marilag. Race 4, first choice number 8, Calle Loreto. Second choice number 4, Raha Bago. Race 5, first choice number 4, Static. Second choice number 1, Octubre 14. Third choice number 7, Hot Rat Heart. Race 6, race na may pentafecta. First choice number 9, Full Combat Order. Second choice number 5, Light Bearer. Third choice number 6, Agaron. Last race, race 7, race na may Super 6. First choice number 7, Jeng Had Enough. Second choice number 12, Blame the Ghost. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you.